Hello everyone. We have a scenario here that we want to change all these cabinet door handles with some other design. So you can see we have a lot of cabinets going on in our design, and we want to replace all of these in just one go. I'm going to talk about two different ways. So first one is by using Corona Power Toolbar, and you can use that if you have the latest version of the Corona. So probably I guess they have introduced this toolbar in Corona 12, maybe in 11. So if you have the older version of Corona, you might not have this toolbar available. So this toolbar looks like this, and this is power toolbar, Corona Power Toolbar, and we are going to use this first icon that says Open Object Replacer, and click on this Open Object Replacer. You will get this menu on your screen. Let's add this in our small r. So let's click on the add. There you can see now the object is added. So let's click on this cabinet handle and then click on start preview. So as soon as I click on this start preview, you can see that handle is now get replaced with this box 065. So now you want to replace all of these handles at the same time. So what you can do is you can just select all of these handles by just pressing Control Shift A. All right, so now if I just click on the start preview again, you can see all those handles are now get replaced. And well, if you are doing it like for the first time, then you might get into a situation where it will copy your object like this. So what you can do is you can just go into the advanced options, and then you can click on or switch from replacing to replaced under the section of rotation from object like this. All right, so the second method uh, for replacing your objects is by using modifier inside 3 Studio Max. And if you don't have your Corona latest version, you don't need to worry about. So we can fix this with the help of modifier called substitute inside 3 Studio Max. So all you have to do is you have to uh, select your object. After selecting all the handles, just go to the modifier list and search for substitute modifier and scroll down under the parameters. You will get this option substitute assignment, and in substitute assignment the first option is pick scene object. So if I just click on the pick scene object and pick our new design, so you can see all those handles are now get replaced. So the difference in these two methods, in the first method you cannot uh, you know go back to the older version, but uh, the modifier what the best thing of applying some modifiers is that you can easily go back to the uh, original state. So if I just hide this substitute modifier, so you can see the older version is still there. It's just replacing the newer version with the